How to make money online. A realistic approach to how we have to look at making money online. Today we're not going to be discussing about how to make a side hustle. The name itself does not sound right to me. How to make a passive income. It is real, but for the beginning part, I don't want you to be thinking about how to make passive income. Let us start discussing how to really make active income, which will actually lead to the passive income or whatever you want to call it. If you can make more money, why don't you become more active and make more of it? The creator economy is estimated to grow at a very higher rate in the coming years, and it is time for you to become a part of it. And when I talk about the creator economy, I'm calling you to become also a content creator. Create your own personal brand and also start to take the fruits of actually having a personal brand on the internet. Starting an online business has never been easier. A lot of people used to think that starting an online business required you to have some money, some capital, and a lot of things to actually get started, but that's not true. Today, I'm going to teach you the very basics of actually getting on social media, getting started, building a personal brand, and also starting to create your first product. The only way you can become rich on social media, the only way you can become rich in life and powerful, successful, gain money is when you are trading something for somebody else's money. This cup was sold to me, and whoever sold it to me actually made an income. And based on that, they are able to cover for the transport cost. But the only way the business can continue to grow is the fact that they were able to convince me to buy this. You can only make money through the exchange of what? Of products and the selling of products. So therefore, we are gonna get the basis right. And nobody's gonna buy from you unless that you are able to actually let them find you and let them find or have a desire to actually have your product. So first of all, your idea or your job is to make sure the people know about your existence and the people are going to know about your product. And you are going to convince them why your product is best and why they should purchase from you. So it's simple, like the metrics. If you look at the social media economy, what is happening over there? It's so simple. The idea is very simple, friends, because it's all about you create content. There are three players in this particular creator economy. The social media businesses, they become the advertisers. The content creators, they becomes the people who are creating on the platform. And then the general public, who are the consumers of the content created. Where does the money come from? In the past, people used to pay for posters, people used to pay for banners, people used to pay to be published on newsletters, newspapers, and also on magazines, and they paid for that advertisement, billboards. But now, wherever the attention is, that is where there is sales. Because if you want to reach the people, you should be in front of them. And where are the people right now? They are on their phones. Therefore, the social media companies provided the avenue, which is going to bring the people to. But it is not going to be empty because if it is empty, nobody's going to be there. So it needed people to create content, and the content creators came in and they push up the content and they put it there. Advertisers also want to publish their advertisement. So what happens is they pay to the social media platforms, and the social media platforms give a share of the advertisement money and revenue to the content creators. That's what leads us to the Facebook ad revenue and how much you can earn on YouTube and Instagram. And if you create your own product, perfect. But for me, I want to start with you on the route of starting and creating your own personal brand and also creating your product. So